Before you begin, remove 7 of the rubber inserts, the stand bottom cover, the fan, the M.2 solid-state drive if installed, and the speaker mesh from the stand top cover assembly, and remove the stand arm cover. Removal. Use a 4 mm hex wrench to remove the large screw holding the stand arm to the panel assembly. Partially pull out the stand arm. Remove the small P1 Phillips head screw on the inside of the stand arm using a slender barreled screwdriver. Peel off the small black plastic piece at the front of the stand arm. Feed the cables up through their access hole on the stand arm. Remove each cable one by one, starting with the smallest cable. Replacement. Feed the cables down through their access hole on the stand arm one by one, starting with the larger cables. Tuck the cables into the stand arm with the wireless LAN antenna cables at the bottom and the scalar cables at the top. Insert the P1 Phillips head screw on the inside of the stand arm. Slide the top of the small black plastic piece onto the front of the stand arm. Secure the black plastic piece to the stand arm. Pull the cables completely taut through the stand arm. Press the stand arm onto the rear of the panel assembly until correctly positioned. Secure the stand arm screw to the panel assembly with a 4 mm hex wrench.